If Clipchamp is giving you a download or export error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that solve the problem in most cases. Whether your export is stuck, failing to start, or just not finishing properly, these steps will help you get back on track without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first step. Open Clipchamp and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Sometimes export issues happen because the project is tied to the wrong profile or an old session, so starting fresh can help. Once Clipchamp is open, go to your project and open it up fully so you can check that everything loads correctly. Now try exporting again. In Clipchamp, go to the editor, then select Export and choose 720p to test the export process. Starting with a lower resolution can help you confirm whether the issue is related to the file size, the project itself, or just a temporary export glitch. If 720p works, you can try a higher resolution afterward. If the download error still appears, the next thing to check is your storage space. Clipchamp needs enough disk space to process and save the export, and if your device is running low, the download can fail. Open your storage settings and make sure you have enough free space available. If needed, delete unnecessary files, empty your recycle bin, or move large files to external storage to clear room quickly. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache. Since Clipchamp runs through the browser, cache data can sometimes interfere with downloads or exports. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Clear the cache and temporary files, then close and reopen the browser before trying the export again. This often fixes strange loading or download problems caused by old data. If the issue continues, refresh the page, reopen the project, and test the export one more time. In many cases, a simple restart of Clipchamp, the browser, or even your computer can clear out temporary glitches that are blocking the download. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because interrupted connections can stop the export process before it completes. So to quickly recap, open Clipchamp, reopen your project, try exporting again at 720p, check your available storage space, and clear your browser cache if needed. These steps solve most Clipchamp download errors fast and safely. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel and helps me make more simple tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.